Back again with another video. You guys really liked the last one, so I'm going to keep putting them out. Today, we're going to go over how to measure the value of SEO and really just kind of going over why SEO is valuable, what makes it valuable. And what I've noted here is that SEO is the perfect marketing channel if you have lots of time, but not a lot of money, because it does take a while to see results from SEO, but the value of it is that you get free traffic. And in the next slide, I'm going to show you what you would normally have to pay for if you wanted to get traffic to your website. So normally when people talk about getting traffic to their website, they talk about using advertising. And in advertising, they use a term called cost per click or CPC. And so you can see here some of the different platforms, Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, they all have different CPCs. But on average in the USA, cost per click is close to $1, which is actually really a lot. And if you can imagine how that would rack up a bill very quickly, even if you just wanted to get 1,000 clicks on your website. So I've noticed here 1,000 clicks in Google search would be $600 to $1,000. 1,000 clicks on Instagram would be $3,500, which is quite a bit. But there's obviously value in those clicks. If you're able to drive business from those clicks and hopefully you can generate a profit from those clicks, then you have a scalable business that you can actually grow with advertising. Now, the value of SEO is that you can get all of these clicks for free. And I say free because you're not paying any money. You're paying with time. You're spending your time writing excellent articles. You're spending your time doing research on what people are searching for. You're spending time getting backlinks. So you are paying for something. It's not completely free, but in terms of the dollars in your wallet, it's free. And so I noticed here, if your website only gets 1,000 clicks per month from Google, you're getting $1,000 a month in traffic, which is really cool. And another thing to note is that more competitive keywords tend to have higher cost per click. So if it's a really valuable keyword that you're targeting, it would cost a lot to run advertising on that. So there's a lot of value in ranking for competitive terms. And obviously it's more difficult to rank than it is to run ads. It takes a lot more effort. It takes a lot less effort to run an ad than it does to create content and rank on Google. So I made a little slide here that just goes over how to calculate the value of SEO. So the formula is the cost per click times the position click-through rate. So this is the percentage of clicks that you get based on the position that you rank for in Google, and then times the clicks per month. And that gives you the keyword value. So if you're in Ahrefs or something and you're looking up keywords and stuff, this can kind of give you an estimate of what you can expect if you rank for a keyword. And the click-through rate for each position on Google, these are just averages, but the first position's getting 40%, and then 35%, and then 30%. So you can see how ranking in the number one position, you're going to get more traffic. And you might think to yourself, where's all the rest of the percentages? And well, the advertisements get a lot of clicks on Google. So even ranking in the first position on Google does not mean you're going to capture all of the traffic. And so based on these percentages, I said, if you rank in the third spot for a keyword that gets 5,000 searches per month and has a cost per click of $2, then that's almost $3,000 a month in free traffic. And these are very real numbers. This is something that I experienced with my website, with my business. So this is not unheard of, and it is really valuable for your business. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to pull up Ahrefs, and we're back in the Keyword Explorer. And I was just going to show you a real world example. And so we're going to use the same trick that we did yesterday, where we go to the search function, look at all the keywords, and just include the words we want. And I wanted to look at sourdough. My wife's been getting into sourdough, so we're gonna do some keyword research on it. And so if I look it up, you can see right here at the top how to make sourdough bread. That would make an excellent article. It's a little difficult, right? 62. That's definitely for a seasoned veteran in SEO to tackle. But the volume is 12,000 a month. The traffic potential is 64,000 a month. That means basically not only from that keyword alone, but from all of the subsidiary traffic from other long tail keywords. You're going to get a lot of traffic from this keyword. And the cost per click, if you wanted to run ads on this keyword, is $2.50. So, this is a really high value keyword. And you can imagine, you can have courses you can run from this. You can have a website that just has banner ads and you're going to make revenue from that. But you can see really quickly how a high volume keyword and a high cost per click is going to get you really valuable traffic. On the other hand, if you go to a keyword like how to feed sourdough starter, which is, only a part of the process of making sourdough, so it's not a hugely valuable keyword, still a lot of volume. but the cost per click is 4 cents a click, right? So if you ran ads on that, you wouldn't pay that much, but there's still obviously value in ranking for the keyword, especially if you run advertisements and stuff like that. So yeah, so this gives you an idea of, the value that you can expect from ranking for a keyword on Google. And yeah, in the back of my mind, I'm always just thinking, okay, 30% of the traffic volume that I see times cost per click. Okay, that's the value I can expect from a keyword. And you can see how over time, if you rank for hundreds and thousands of keywords on Google and you're getting tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of searches per month or per year, you can get a lot of value out of SEO. So hopefully this tip helps. And I hope that it helps you grow your business and that it helps you understand how valuable SEO can be for your business.